Good morning, students. I hope you all are well and practicing your lesson 6 fractions. In today's class, we are going to learn to arrange the fractions in ascending order, that is, from small to big. Students, let's rearrange the fractions in ascending order from small to big. As you can see in the first example, the denominators are same, that is 15. Hence, we can compare these fractions easily. The small numerator is a small fraction. So the smallest numerator here is 1. So 1 by 15 is the smallest fraction. The next small numerator is 3. So 3 by 15 is the next small fraction. Next we have 6 by 15, 12 by 15 and 14 by 15. We have rearranged the fractions from smallest to the biggest, that is in ascending order. Let's take another example. Students, as you can observe, all the fractions are having the same numerator, that is 9. The denominators are different. The big denominator becomes a smaller fraction. So here the biggest denominator is 21. So 9 by 21 is the smallest fraction. Next we have 9 by 19, the next small fraction. Then 9 by 16, 9 by 15 and 9 by 10. Bigger the denominator, smaller the fraction. So we have rearranged the fractions in ascending order. That is from small to big. 9 by 21 is the smallest fraction and 9 by 10 is the greatest fraction here. Students, I hope you have understood both the examples well.